service. Now, gentlemen, the purpose of camouflage is to conceal things you do not wish to be seen. Now, the first man in history to use camouflage was Adam, back in the Garden of Eden. But, gentlemen, the fig leaf today is not enough. Modern camouflage is an art and a science, if used intelligently. Take cover, stupid. Take cover. Uh-oh. Them tracks, they reveal your position. Hey, what about them tracks? What about that track? Bitte, mein Herr, haben Sie ein Like? Danke. Of course, the enemy sometimes uses camouflage, too. Get in the shadow. Get in the shadow. Of course, Snafu. Shadows sometimes move. You may fire when ready, Von Gridley. So, gentlemen, if you want to fool them, remember this. Just make yourself part of the natural surroundings. See what I mean?